Spring Tool Suite. It is free and open source, creating Java frameworks. STS IDE, Integrated Development Environment. It is powerful IDE, supporting more plugins and options tools. Browser open. Search box lo Spring Tool Suite download. Enter key press. Official link first section lo display spring.io tools. Spring tools first link, mouse left click. Spring official redirectory web page complete display. Middle section lo Spring tools supporting IDE. First one Eclipse, second one Visual Studio Code. Section lo mouse scroll down. First one Spring tools for Visual Studio Code. Spring tools suite projects creating VS Code. Users అయితే first one select. Second one Spring tools for Eclipse. Eclipse IDE లో Spring tools related projects create చేయాలంటే related IDE install after install Spring tool suite. Supporting OS Linux, Mac, Windows. Present Windows setup. Without Eclipse IDE installation, direct creating projects Java in Spring Tool Suite IDE. Two IDEs lo supporting option. Fifth button. Latest version 4.29.1 Windows x86_64 button. Mouse left click. Download section lo Spring -tools -suite version 4.4.29.1 Win32 x86_64 zip file downloading process start. File size 650 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Process completed. Next installation setup. Right side first icon show in folder click. Left side download section lo Spring Tool Suite zip file display. Mouse right click. Show more options select. 7-zip option select. Sub panel lo fourth one extract here select. Extracting zip file process start 0 to 100%. Completing process wait and hear few minutes. Display extracted folder. Select mouse right click. First icon cut click. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select open. Mouse right click. Paste icon click. STS folder open. Spring Tool Suite exe setup file select. Mouse right click. Show more option click. Send to option select. Sub panel lo third one desktop create shortcut click. Folder close. Desktop shortcut Spring Tool Suite select. Double click open. Spring Tool Suite 4 program application run. Spring Tool Suite 4 launcher window lo select a directory as workspace. Default path display in middle section box. Mouse left click. Unnecessary remove. Delete key press. STS projects enter. First button launch click. Spring Tool Suite 4 user interface white color theme display. Microsoft Defender exclusion check. First option exclude Spring Tool Suite 4 left side circular tick mark set. Mouse left click. First button proceed click. Windows PowerShell verified publisher. Microsoft Windows first button yes click. Windows menu click. Last option preferences click. Left side Maven select. Fourth one left side box lo tick mark set. Fifth one set. Sixth one set. Second button apply. First button apply and close click. Left side window lo package explorer create a Java project. Options display. First menu file menu click. New option select. sub panel లో థర్డ్ వన్ స్ప్రింగ్ స్టార్టర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ సెలెక్ట్. న్యూ స్ప్రింగ్ స్టార్టర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ విండోలో ఫస్ట్ వన్ సర్వీస్ URL డిఫాల్ట్ లింక్ అఫిషియల్ వెబ్సైట్ డిస్ప్లే. సెకండ్ వన్ నేమ్ డిఫాల్ట్ డెమో రిమూవ్ చారి టెక్ ఇన్ఫో ప్రాజెక్ట్స్. థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ టైప్ డిఫాల్ట్ గ్రూవీ రైట్ సైడ్ డౌన్ arrow click. థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ మవెన్ సెలెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ జావా వర్షన్ 17 డిఫాల్ట్ సెట్. ప్యాకేజ్ జార్ లాంగ్వేజ్ జావా. గ్రూప్ డిఫాల్ట్ రిమూవ్ చారి టెక్ ఇన్ఫో ఎంటర్. ట్యాబ్ కీ ప్రెస్. ఆర్టిఫాక్ట్ డిఫాల్ట్ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఎంటర్ ద నేమ్ డిస్ప్లే ఇన్ బాక్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వర్షన్ 0.0.1 display. Description demo project for Spring Boot. Package default text remove Chari Tech Info dot app. Second button next click. New Spring Starter project dependencies lo number of tools related plugins default project. Third button finish click. Left side package explorer window lo created folder Chari Tech Info projects display. Left side expand icon click. Second folder src main java folder expand icon click. com Chari Tech Info dot app folder expanded click. Created java project file display Chari Tech Info projects application dot extension java. Select mouse double click. Simple java class code display in. Edit the javascript code. Output executed purpose. Enter key press. Enter key press. System dot output dot println output related executed text Chari Tech Info. Workspace window lo mouse right click. Run as option select. Sub panel lo Spring Boot app third option select. Select all. OK click. Spring tool suite 4 window lo first button yellow click. Console window lo bottom section lo output Chari Tech Info display. Left side local expand icon click. Chari Tech Info projects display. Welcome to Spring Tool Suite IDE. Re-edit output executed text. File menu click. Save option select. Console window expand. Created folder select. Mouse right click. Run as option select. Spring Boot app select. Display in console window lo Spring Foster display. Output Chari Tech Info and welcome to Spring Tool Suite IDE display. STS IDE minimize.